Hey, what's up guys? This is Rudy from Pro Car Studio. And in this quick tip, we're going to show you how to set up a flat foot or full throttle shifting on basically pretty much any Civic vehicle or any Honda vehicle for that matter that's supported with this feature via the Hondata FlashPro Manager. In this case, we're going to be opening up a 9th Gen Si calibration file. So we'll go ahead and open this up here. We have an example file that we use pretty often, but you want to use either your calibration that's stored on the FlashPro itself, or if you have a copy on your desktop, you could do that as well. So we're going to go ahead and open up the calibration window, and we're going to go into the rev limits options here. And if you have this option available of full throttle shifting, you're going to be able to see it right here. And all we have to do really is go ahead and check this off to enable it. Now these parameters here are often pretty good straight out of the box. So in the base calibration file, these will be pre-populated in a sense. But normally Hondata recommends you enter this full throttle shift RPM limit to be about 2,000 RPMs lower than your max RPM up here. In this case, we're seeing about a 1,500 RPM difference, which is fine, compared to the actual rev limit of the engine. So we'll have this set up here as 6,000 RPM. Full throttle shift minimum throttle opening is 80%, which, we'll just leave that as is. So once we have this enabled, we'll go ahead and save this and also upload it either to the FlashPro device via this window right here, and you'll overwrite the original calibration stored, or you could upload it directly to your car as well to make sure that it's fully enabled. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and make sure to contact us via our website, www.procivic.com. Once again, my name is Rudy from Pro Car Studio. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'll see you next time.